Hello and welcome friends, welcome to IFT. This is infinitely finite Toophan. In this channel, I had taught you in the last video exercise 7.1 question number 22 and 21. I am following NCERT book for these videos. Okay, after completing the NCERT book, I will be going to next book like R.D. Sharma is there or R.S. Agarwal. I will be following one of the two books, but for now I am following just the NCERT book. So in the NCERT book, in exercise 7.1, in the last video I taught you already question number 22 and 21. Now in this video I am starting from question number 20, after that 19, then 18, then 17, and like this I'll go and I'll keep this in my mind that I don't have to make the video very long. Okay, so let's see in 15 or 20 minutes how much questions I can teach you, and then yeah, we'll see. Integrate means you just have to do integration, that's it. Okay, so the question is 2 minus 3 sin x and by cos square x. Okay, so now here you don't have direct formula for 3 sin x, or like this 2 minus 3 sin x, you don't have any formula. And apart from that, there is one more thing, that you don't have a formula for integration in division method. Okay, u by v function, if there is a Toom function in u by v format, you don't have a formula for that. Okay, so what we do, we don't do integration directly here. We will first solve this equation, and after that we will make it like in a way that is possible to do integration with the help of the known formulas. For example, you know the formula for sin x dx. Okay, the integration of sin x, similarly you know the integration of cos x. Okay, so like that we will come to a point where we will have some basic formulas, and then we can do integration. Okay, so first we will just solve this. Okay, now for solving we will use this concept. Let's just say you have like 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5, then we have 5 LCM and 2 minus 3, right? Like this you have, now what if I say that you have this sentence, and from this sentence you can write like this, right? Because this sentence is also equal to this. So same thing here we have done. Here is cos square x. Cos square x is in division with the both terms, with 2 also and with 3 sin x also. Okay, it is in division with both the terms. It have been like this. You can imagine that 2 by cos square x minus 3 sin x by cos square x. Now if you do LCM here, okay, you will get this sentence only, right? So that's why I will divide cos square x with both the terms, this term and this term also. So I'll have 2 by cos square x and then minus 3 sin x by cos square x. Okay, after that this 2 is constant, so I will take it outside. So I will have here 1 by cos square x. Okay, so 1 by cos is sec. Okay, sec x, and since it is in square, that's why sec also will be squared. So we will have sec square x. Okay, then minus 3 is again constant, so we'll put it here, and here we will have sine by cos square x, right? Now sine by cos square x you can write like this, sine by cos x into cos x, right? Because this is cos square x, and after that, see, sine x by cos x you can take it differently, I mean separately, and then you can write 1 by cos x. This is also you can do, right? This is nothing wrong in that. So that's what I have done here. Sine by cos x I have done, and then 1 by cos x separately. Okay, so I have here the integration of sec square x. You know the formula for integration of sec square x is 10x. So that's why I have written directly. I have done here sec integration. So we have 2 10x and then minus 3 is 3. Now here sine by cos is 10x, right? Sine by cos is 10, and then 1 by cos is sec. So this is sec into 10. So you have formula for sec into 10, right? That formula is sec x only. So this is 3 again, and after that sec into 10 is sec. So basically we have 2 10x minus 3 sec x plus c. That's our answer. I hope you don't have any problem here also. This is a very simple question. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Now let us move to the question number 19. Question number 19 is sec square x by cosec square x. Again, we don't have any formula any direct formula for doing integration for this type of question. So we will solve first of all this equation. After that we will do integration. Okay. Now see, sec square x is sec square x. I have not done any change in that. But here we can write sec square x into 1 by cosec square x, isn't it? This will also give the same thing only. Okay. And 1 by cosec square x is sin square x, right? 1 by cos x is sin x. So here sin x we have sin square x. Now this sec squares I can change it into 1 by cos, right? 1 by cos squared, because this is also in squared, so cos also will be squared. So sec is equal to 1 by cos, that's why sec square x is 1 by cos square x. So we can write here we have sin square x, and then here we can write 1 by cos square x. So this one sin square x will be multiplied with 1, so it will be sin square x by cos square x. So basically we have sin square x by cos square x. And after that, see, we can write it like this: sin x by cos x whole square, and sin x by cos x means tan x, right? And tan x whole square means tan square x. So simply we will write tan square x. Okay. Now you must remember this formula, that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, right? So if we take this 1 this side, this 1 will become minus, and this tan square will come to this side, it will be changed into plus. Okay. So basically we have sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta, right? So in place of tan square theta we can write sec square theta minus 1. That's why I have written sec square x minus 1, because sec square x minus 1 is equal to tan square x. Okay. Now we have something that we can do integration. We'll just separate the terms. See, integration sec square x and then minus integration 1 dx means only dx. Okay. You write 1 dx, you can write 1 dx, okay, and 1 will be multiplied with dx, so it will be dx only. So simply I have written dx. Okay. So the integration of sec square x is tan x, and then minus here this integration and d will get cancelled, so we will have only x. So we have x here. So simply we have tan x minus x plus c. This is our answer for question number 19. Okay, you can match with the book. This is the correct answer. So I hope you have understood this also. Now moving on to question number 18. Question number 18 is very simple. Okay, in just 2-3 lines you can solve it. So let's just see. This is sec x into sec x plus tan x. So we'll just do multiplication. Sec into sec is sec square x, and then sec into tan is sec into tan. Now just separate the terms and do integration. This is, see, this comes here, it becomes sec square x dx, and then this portion sec into tan, integration sec into tan x into dx. Now the integration of sec square x is tan x, and integration of sec into tan is sec x, right? And then plus c. So yeah, that's it. This is our answer. Again, I told you, this is a very simple question. Okay. See, now you must find it very easy to understand. Like I told you, if you follow from the tough question to easy question, if you understand the tough question, then the easy questions will become easier. So like that. See, you have solved already 22, 21, 20, and then 19. Now 18 was very easy, right? Similarly, 17 is also very easy. You just see. 17 is 2x square. This is a square here. Okay. So 2x square minus 3 sin x, and then plus 5 root x dx. Okay. So simply we can do integration by separating the terms only. So we will separate this term 2x square. In this 2 is the constant, so we can just take it out. So we have 2 integration x square. Okay, this one. And then similarly 3 is the constant, sin x integration, and then after that 5 is the constant, and then root x integration. Okay. Now we write 2 same to same, and after that the integration of x square is x cube by 3, right? Then 3 is 3. The integration of sin x is minus cos x. So I have written in a bracket minus cos x. Okay, now plus 5 into the integration of root x. Integration of root x, you should remember this one. Okay, I have already told you to remember. So the integration of root x is 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2. Okay, this is the integration of root x. So that's why I have written 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 and then plus c, obviously. Okay, so now this 3 we can multiply with 1 here because by 1 is there hidden. So 3 1 is 3. So it will basically be 2x cube by 3. So or we can write like 2 by 3 and then x cube. So 2 by 3 x cube, and this minus and minus becomes plus. So we have 3 cos x and then plus here 5 2s are 10 by 3. So 10 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 and then plus c. Very simple and very easy. Okay, so this was our answer for question number 17. Now we'll move on to question number 16. See, very easy questions are there. Okay, very easy questions are there. So question number 16 is 2x minus 3 cos x plus e to the power x. Here also simply you can just separate and do integration. This term here 2 is constant, so 2 you can take outside and then integration x dx. Similarly here 3 is constant, integration cos x dx and then integration e to the power x. Okay, now 2 is 2. The integration of x is x square by 2. You remember that, right? Because x has a power of 1. You do integration, you will write like this, x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, right? So it will become x to the power 2 by 2. So the basically you have here that integration of x is x square by 2. Okay, so that's why I have written x square by 2 and then minus the integration of cos x is sin x and then the integration of e to the power x is e to the power x. Okay, so here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. You have only x square, then minus 3 sin x is same. The integration of e to the power x is e to the power x only, and then this same into this same e to the power x you will write here and then plus c. That is the integration, the answer. Okay, I hope you have got the idea how to do integration. Okay, that's why now I will not explain how am I solving here. I will just show you the solution here itself. You can take screenshots or you can pause the video and then you can try to solve it by yourself. Okay, and then you can match the steps whether you have done it correctly or not. Okay, so this is 15 number and then here is the answer for 15 number. Sorry, not till then, it is till here. So this is the answer for 15 number. Okay, you just try to solve by yourself. If you cannot do, if you have any problem in understanding the question or the solution, you can just put a comment and I will make a explaining video for that question. Okay, but the thing is you have to do by yourself. Okay, the main thing is you have to do practice, you have to learn. Okay, so now we have here question number 14. This is the solution. Okay, and then this is the answer for question number 14 here. Okay, now we move on to question number 13. Question number 13 I will teach you. Question number 13 is little bit different, so I will just show you how to solve it. So this is x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. Okay, and then by x minus 1. So here again you don't have any formula for u by v function integration. Okay, so you will just solve this whole equation and then you can do integration. So what we can do here is, see properly, if you solve this one, no, so how you will solve it, you just take common here. So if you take common means you will take x square common, so here will be x into x minus 1 here, and then you can take common here also, same thing. Okay, so that's why what I have done is I have divided x minus 1 with these two terms. Okay, so x cube minus x square by x minus 1 and then this plus x minus 1 by x minus 1. Okay, So this x minus 1 and x minus 1 gets cancelled obviously, so you will have dx only here. Here what happens in this term, you just take x square common, so in this term x will be remained and then you have 1, right, and then by x minus 1 obviously. So this x minus 1 and this x minus 1 will get cancelled. Okay, these two terms will get cancelled, and then you will have here only x square and then here 1, so x square plus 1. Now just separate the terms and then do integration, x square dx, and then this 1 dx is dx only. So x square dx is x cubed by 3 and 1 dx is x only, and then plus c. So basically you have x cubed by 3 plus x plus c. That is your answer. Okay. Now question number 12. Question number 12 again very simple. Okay, I hope you will solve it by yourself. Okay, I will just show you the solution so that after solving you can see whether you have done correctly or not. Okay, so these are the next lines till here, and then this is the answer. Okay, and after that question number 11. Question number 11 again I will show you. I mean this is very simple, not a complex one. You can solve it by yourself. This is the question. So you will just divide x square by each and every term and then you will do integration. That's what I have done here. You see here is the division, and then after divide what we have left, and after that integration. That's it. Okay, so after integration you will get this, and then you can simplify it, and then you will get the final answer here. Okay, so yeah, now let us just stop this video here itself. Okay, in the next class I will teach you from question number 9 to question number 1. Okay, so in the next class I think I will be finishing the exercise, and for you, your work is you have to do practice all the questions, and if you have any problem from question number 20 to question number 10, okay, I mean 20, 19, 18 and all of that till 10, if you have any problem please write in the comment, and I will be making a separate video for that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are new on this channel please do subscribe to this channel, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this video.